The system of linear equations Ax is equals to 0, where A is an n by n matrix, has a non-trivial solution only if. Now, he has given a system of linear equations which is defined as Ax is equals to 0, null matrix, and A is of order n by n, has a non-trivial solution. This system of linear equations will have non-trivial solution. Then he is asking what is the property. Now, it's a straightforward question which is nothing but the properties of non-trivial solutions. If rank of A is less than the order of the matrix, which is n, then only the non-trivial solution exists. So the answer is option C. Normal vector to the surface of the sphere x square plus y square is equals to 1 at the point 1 by root 2 comma 0 comma 1 by root 2 is. So we have to find the unit normal vector along a sphere whose equation is given and at a point 1 by root 2 comma 0 comma root 2. Now let us consider the function sphere as some f. Consider this function as x square plus y square plus z square minus 1. Let us find the divergent of this. So summation of dou by dou x of x square plus y square plus z square, which can be written as 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. Now we need at some point 1 by root 2 comma 0 comma 1 by root 2. If we substitute, it will be root 2i plus root 2k. Now unit vector along this is nothing but root 2i plus root 2k by root over root 2 square plus root 2 square, which is nothing but root 2i plus root 2k by 2, which can be written as 1 by root 2 times of I plus 1 by root 2 times of k, which is nothing but option B. Find the integral value of 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx. So let the given integral be some I, 0 to pi by 2 logarithm of tan x dx. Let it be some equation 1. I is equals to 0 to pi by 2. We can write this as logarithm of tan pi by 2 minus x dx. Since integral 0 to a f of x dx can be written as integral 0 to a f of x minus a dx. A minus x dx. Now this will be 0 to pi by 2 logarithm of tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. So this will be cot x dx. Let it be some equation 2. Now we'll add equation 1 and 2. That is 2i is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 log tan x plus integral 0 to pi by 2 log cot x dx. This can be written as integral 0 to pi by 2 as it is common logarithm of tan x plus logarithm of cot x dx. We know that log a plus log b is nothing but log of ab. So this will be logarithm of tan x into cot x dx. Tan and cot are reciprocal, so the value will be 1. So 0 to pi by 2 log 1 dx. Log 1 is 0. So the entire integral will become 0. Hence the answer is A. Problem. We have to find the area covered by the curve y is equal to x square between the lines x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 0. The given curve is y is equal to x square and x is 3 whereas y is equals to 0. Now we know that y is equal to x square is a parabola symmetrical along positive y axis. So the parabola will be something like this. Now x is equal to 3 is a line parallel to y axis at a distance of 3 units. And y is equal to 0 is nothing but x axis. So we have to find this area. Now the value of x is varying from 0 to 3. So the limit will be 0 to 3. Area of the limit will be 0 to 3. And y dx, which is 0 to 3, y is nothing but x square dx, which can be written as x cube by 3 between the interval 0 to 3, which is 27 by 3 minus 0. That is 9 square units. Option A. Now we have to evaluate the value of the limit x tends to 0, 2x by x plus 7 root x. So the given limit is 2x by x plus 7 root x. So what we do is, I'll take root x common in the denominator. So it will be root x plus 7. And let us go for the cancellation. And let us substitute the limit now. That is root 0 by root 0 plus 7. and we know that root 0 is 0 and 0 by any finite value is again 0. So option B.
A projectile of range 10 meter, at what distance from the starting point of the projectile the kinetic energy is minimum? Here the options are 10 meter, 7.7 meter, 5 meter, 3.16 meter. Generally kinetic energy is minimum where the potential energy is maximum, because the total energy for a projectile is equal to the sum of the kinetic energy and the potential energy. So here potential energy is maximum when the projectile reaches the maximum height, and the projectile reaches maximum height at a distance of half of the projectile range. So here, so at that point the potential energy is maximum, so at the same point kinetic energy is minimum. That is, here the projectile range is 10 meter, so that the projectile, the kinetic energy is minimum at the half of the distance of the range, so that it is equal to 5 meters. So at a distance of 5 meters kinetic energy is minimum or potential energy is maximum. Statement is given: if forces acting on a point can be represented in magnitude and direction by the sides of a polygon taken in order, then their resultant will be represented in magnitude and direction by the closing side of the polygon taken in opposite order is known as. So this statement or this law is known as law of polygon of forces. So here the right answer is D. Here the question is, a dead load is, and the options are one that does not exist, one that remains constant, one that can be neglected, and option D is dynamic load. Here dynamic load is nothing but the magnitude and direction of the load may changes from time to time. So with respect to the time, the magnitude and direction are magnitude or direction. Either of these can be changed with respect to the time for a dynamic load, but a dead load is a load, it is a static load. So the magnitude and direction is constant with respect to the time. So here in the option, the correct option is B. B is the right answer. Fine series screws of major diameter 8 mm and pitch 1 mm is generally designated as. So here it is a general designated system which is which can be represented by m with numerical number into some numerical number. So here the numerical number along with the m gives the major diameter and the other numerical number gives the pitch of the screw. So here the correct option is A. Here m8 by 1. So here 8 gives the major diameter of the screw and 1 gives the pitch of the screw.